In which period what happened related to any happenings? Yes or not? Malwa was annexed. याद होगा आपको. गुजरात तो शेरशाह सूरी ने अनेक्स किया 1538 में. 1562 में मालवा. 15 I said that 76 में हल्दी घाटी finally it was, that is I said that Chittor, Mewar, not Chittor, but I said that which one? There is after coming of what I said that Gujarat 1573, and then Jammu and Kashmir in 1586. Jammu and Kashmir was annexed by कब? तो ये कुछ चीज़ों को आप थोड़ा बहुत इंजॉय करते हुए पढ़ते रहें, अंडरस्टूड, क्योंकि इससे आपको फर्दर इट विल हेल्प टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग. मुगल्स में विल हैव टू सी देयर इज अ बाबर, हुमायूं, and interregnum period. Means I said that interregnum period means Mughals के within there is two periods के बीच में there is a coming of which one? Shershah Suri. And he was, I said that मैंने कल भी बताया था, he was what? Afghani. Then I said Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Okay. Is it okay? Babur, Humayun, all of you know. Babur came. Babur के बाद who came after? Humayun. His son was Akbar. Yes. Babur after what? Who came? Humayun. And after that? Akbar. And after Akbar who came? Jahangir. And then Akbar's son was Salim, जो आपने सुने होंगे, अनारकली मूवी एंड ऑल, हाँ, सलीम शेखू वर्ड निकलता था. सो आई सेड दैट जहांगीर, दैट पर्सन वाज जहांगीर, मतलब जहान में सबसे गिरा हुआ बंदा. एंड देयर इज आई सेड दैट शाहजहां, व्हिच वन आई सेड दैट? शाहजहां. एंड देन ही इज अ वेरी फेमस फॉर, आई सेड दैट, मेकिंग best architecture. Yes or no? And then Aurangzeb. He is only, there is no, in the initial of his life of 10 years, 20 years, तक थोड़ा सा he loved music and different things. But उसके बाद there is only he loved what I said, that killing someone and then winning the power. और उस समय प्रॉब्लम ये भी होता था ना कि उनके बच्चे इतने होते थे कि वो 80 का हो गया, उनके बच्चे 60 के, दे आर वेटिंग व्हेन ही विल डाई, दैट सो दैट आई कैन बिकम. सो दिस आर द कंडीशन आर देयर. आई सेड दैट बाबर, थोड़ी मेरी आवाज आज बैठी हुई है, सो इट्स पेनिंग हियर. और एक तो साउंड बॉक्स नहीं चल रहा है, बिना साउंड बॉक्स की मेरी आवाज निकल रही है. सो बाबर, हुमायूं, एंड देन हु इज दिस? अकबर. ये तो याद होगा, ये सारे तो आइडिया है ना पूरा, इसमें तो मुझे कुछ नहीं बोलना होगा. यस. बाबर है, बाबर के बाद हु केम? यस टेल मी. हुमायूं. एंड आफ्टर हुमायूं, हुमायूं सन वाज अकबर, एंड अकबर का सन कौन है? जहांगीर. दैट्स गुड. एंड देन जहांगीर, आई सेड दैट जहान में गिरा तो दूसरा जहां उठ गया, शाहजहां. एक जहान में गिरा तो दूसरा जहान में उठ गया, शाहजहां. एंड शाहजहां का there is a several sons are there, but I said that one, it is very good kind of it. It is Aurangzeb. That let us see when how good he is. I said Aurangzeb. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे 26, 30, 55. 26, 30, 55. Can you remember this number? 26, 30, 55, 6, 27, 58, 6, 27, 58, 26, 30, 55, 26, 30, 55, 6, 27, 58, and the last is 7. I said 26, 30, 55, 26, 30, 55, 6, 27, 58, and then I said 7. प्लीज बिना देखे आप इसको 4 टाइम्स लिख दें साइड में. जो दिमाग में दिख रहा है वही आप लिखते चलें. So you know that Babur. So with the number we have seen, I said that 26, 30, 55, 6, 27, 58 and 7. Yes or not? So Babur was, I said that from the 1526 to 1530. Humayun was 1530 to 55. In between Sirsa Suri has come. And Akbar was 1555 or 56 you can take, and from there it is 1605. क्या बोला था यहाँ 6 बोला था क्या मैं? हाँ मतलब 1605, बट 1605 के बाद 6 से कौन स्टार्ट हो गया था? जहांगीर. And 1605 to 1627 who? Jahangir. And 1627 to 1658 it is, I said that, Shahjahan. And 1658 to 1707. So if you'll see, I said that Babur initiated his empire, yes or not? Initiated empire and its growth. Lekin there is nothing has been done. Akbar, I said that Afghan plus North India till Godavari. Till Godavari. Afghan, North India till Godavari. Is it okay? And then during Jahangir, I said no extra growth. With the exception, we'll see. Shahjahan, I said that entered into, I said south, that is Deccan region. Entered in, I said that Deccan region along with earlier. Is it okay? Along with earlier. लेकिन इसी समय Afghan or Kandahar region has been left. In this period, I said that Afghan except Kandahar region has been what? Left. Earlier सारे positions रहे. I said that most of the positions of Pakistan region and all, North India, and Aurangzeb ने around whole India, north plus south, North India plus South India. Is it okay? With some exceptional kings are left. Understood? He initiated empire and its growth, and Humayun has not done anything. And Akbar has grown the empire till Afghan, North India. And then I said that Afghan to tha hi, pehle se bhi yahan par bhi tha, North India, but he has North India ke several regions he has occupied. Several regions till the Godavari, and last death step before he has been able to reach. I said that Godavari पहुंच ही रहा था 1601 में. There is a battle of Asirgarh in the 1601 has been taken place in the Khandwa gap, which way I said that Satpura range say it is entering. So he has been able to reach here. Yes or not? And this whole region was occupied by the Akbar. Understood? So only he was approaching. Jahangir ke samay mein zyada growth nahi hua. Shahjahan was able to come into this region. Understood it? And then thereafter Aurangzeb is able to cover in this kind of structure. So Aurangzeb policy में देखेंगे that it has been, I said that 50 years की है ना इसकी that I said that ruling. तो first 25 years for north, and then second 25 years for south. Yes or not? Second 25 years for south. He has given second 25 years to. उसके बाद जितने भी बामनी kingdom वगैरह, it has been completely annexed by whom? Aurangzeb. Yes or not? All the Bamni kingdoms, and then Bamni kingdom has occupied itself Vijayanagar regions. Yes or not? So the whatever there in their power, that has been also occupied by Aurangzebs. So the first 25 years of Aurangzeb, I said that it was in the, I said, north. Second for 25 years for the what? South. और जब चलता था तो लगता था कि कोई जा रहा है. Then thousands of elephants are moving. If when he was going to attack somewhere, then you can think of. वहाँ तक तो पहुँचने की बात ही नहीं थी कि कहाँ किंग बैठा हुआ है. Understood? वार पहले ही जीत जाते थे. So when they are entering anywhere to defeat, then the thousands of elephant, and that time it was not that too much highly technology developed हो कि हाथी को भी हम ऊपर से उड़ कर जाकर बाहुबली का फिल्म होता तो कुछ और हो सकता था. So I said this is the way that we can be able to see. Babur, he initiated the power with the Afghan, and some parts around Delhi he has annexed. Thereafter Humayun came, nothing has been done. Akbar has created the whole North India. Yes or not? Akbar has created the whole North India. Jahangir, nothing extra has been done. Yes or not? Started nothing, done lot, nothing. Yes or not? Thereafter Shahjahan ne jo whatever that Akbar has given, the little bit enter into the south, after the south of Godavari. Yes or not? जहाँ पे आपने देखेंगे अहमदनगर, बीजापुर, these are the regions. क्योंकि शाहजहां ने अपने सन औरंगजेब को he has sent it to the what? South. When he was the ruler, then he was, I said that he was in the, I said, Maharashtra region, along with the Chin Clinch Khan. So that it means he was in the south. The Shahjahan has occupied good regions. And further after the Shahjahan, when he has been, I said that removed, there is a coming of Aurangzeb, further he entered into the south. Yes or not? जहांगीर के समय में एक एक्स्ट्रा ग्रोथ नहीं हुआ था. अफगान लॉस्ट के पूरे चांसेस बन गए. तो जो शाहजहां के समय में इट हैज बिन, क्योंकि कौन थी वो पता है ना? मेहरूर निसा है ना. नूर जहां बना लिया करो, शाहजहां की वाइफ है. ठीक है. हाँ, उसी के याद में तो ताजमहल बना दिया. सो आई सेड दैट उसका नाम वो मेहरूर निसा की बेटी है. अच्छा इधर आ जाओ. I said हमने क्या बोला? बाबर, हुमायूं। बाबर का पीरियड क्या, कब से कब तक है? 1526 to 1530, and 1530 to 55 who? Humayun. And 55 to 1605 who? Akbar. And 1605 to 1627 Jahangir. 1627 to 1658 Shahjahan, याद होना चाहिए. And Shahjahan, then 1658 to 1707 Aurangzeb. And औरंगजेब के बाद देयर इज अ डिक्लाइनिंग मुगल्स कैंप. सो बाबर, हम लोग क्या आप देखने जा रहे हैं? बाबर. अंडरस्टूड इट? कहाँ पे थे? बाबर. Babur belongs to, I said that one side is from the what? Timur. His father was, and then father name was Sheikh उमर मिर्जा. लेकिन भाई साहब की उम्र ज़्यादा नहीं रही. And then mother was from the, I said that, and mother was from the which? Can you remember? यहाँ से ये चंग और यहाँ से त, तो चगताई. Which one I said that? तो जिस रीजन में रहते थे, दैट इज, आई सेड दैट अफगान से तुर्कमेनिस्तान का जो टच है, दैट रीजन इज चगताई. ही बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट आई सेड दैट? चगताई. यस सर. एंड द रीजन वाज फरगना. चगताई, it is a mixture of, I said that you can remember like this, but it is not mixture. That is, I said that Changiz and Chagtai. Can you see? So he was belonging to the, I said, the Chagtai section of these Turks. And they are also considered, as I said, that what? Mughals. Means Mughal. Later on become what? Mughals. Who? And then at the age of 12 he become, I said that Babur become at the age of 12 because his father has been died. Clear? So Babur belongs to the, I said the two sections, yes? Timur and then Changiz. Is it okay? Chagtai is in a section. जैसे आप जिस section से belong करते होंगे तो Chagtai is in a section. फरगना रीजन. इनको मुगल कहा जाता था. I said, and Babur, or Babur was invited by whom? Yes, tell me. Rana Sangram. And Punjab Subedar who? Daulat Khan. Daulat Khan Lodi, uncle of Ibrahim Lodi, Alam Khan Lodi. These three people, and they did fight in which form? Yes, रूमी. यस आर नॉट? और इसका तरीका क्या होता था? कार्ड्स आर पुट्स एंड वेयर द गन्स. यस आर नॉट? एंड इस लड़ाई के तरीके को बोलते थे तुलघाना. तुलघाना या तुलघामा.